Hello everyone. I finally picked up a mic. I'm going to walk you through all these pictures that I've taken. This is my first video, so if it sucks, then I'm totally expecting that. But anyway, uh, this right here is a picture of my front yard looking towards the southwest. Uh, and I'll go ahead and show you a picture that I got pretty much of the same location, and let me zoom in to this. It'll let me. Okay. Pretty much the picture that I'm going to be showing you from night looks like this. Like that. So, bring that up. This is what I caught a couple nights ago. And as you can see, there's no camera shaking, nothing is blurred, but this orb manifested itself as a snake. Now I'm not going to go into my thoughts on that at the moment, but I have that one. I also have another one that maybe during the course of this video we'll get to. Looks like a paintbrush. But anyways, let's see. Go back to daytime. Okay, this is my front yard. Front. That's really looking towards the back yard. Really don't have a backyard. But anyways, I'm not sad about it. Front yard. Looking towards the backyard from the front yard. Front yard. Front something. Anyways. And this is from my back porch. Looking towards the southeast. And now this at night, this is my front yard. And the whole sky is cloud covered, so these right here are not stars. And you can zoom in right here. That is not a star unless it's in front of my tree, and then I think I would have something to worry about. This night I was taking a lot of pictures in the front yard and really wasn't seeing a lot, so I took a few more and then I moved to the back. And this thing right here, it's not part of the sky. If you look at it, you can see it's kind of level, hanging out in the tree. I find they do that a lot. They like to blend in with the tree, especially when you are out snapping pictures of them at night. So then I turned around, took this picture. I mean, there's nothing in the air that can be seen during the day. But all this stuff, I mean, you can make up your own mind what it is. And I noticed that they would kind of hang out behind my back, and then I would turn around and take a picture real fast, and that's when I would get them. And again in this picture, And then I took another picture exactly like right after that, and they all kind of took off. Um, I take multiple pictures in the same locations to make sure that it couldn't be something that it's not, what all researchers do, I guess. That's my dog, one of them. His name's Beethoven. Um, and then looking in the same direction where all the orbs were before. There's not many at all, really. And this picture was looking directly up at the sky, yet I remind you that the sky was completely covered in clouds, so these things that you're seeing are not stars. And then I flipped back around, and all the orbs that had been on the other side of me had moved over to this side. And see, I turned around, took another pic, nothing. Turned back around and got more orbs, but they were in the process of leaving. Okay, go to my next ones. Let's see. This was on a different night, but it was still overcast. I live in the mountains of western North Carolina, so right, the past few days it's pretty much been overcast. And if my computer will cooperate, there we go. No, nothing was in the air, no snow, no precipitation. I've had people tell me these pictures look like it was snowing, but no, there's no snow whatsoever. As you can tell from the various pictures, some pictures show nothing, except there's one up there, and if I zoomed in, there's one there. But, yeah, the snow's huddled around the tree because it's cold. But, let me see if I can find... And this is a picture of the front yard, kind of looking straight out. The sky would be up in this area. Trees would be covering this part. You wouldn't be able to see any stars whatsoever. And here's a bush right here. But as you can see, they're kind of huddled together. I guess I don't know, share energy or something. I'm not sure. And again, cloud cover. So this thing right here is not a star. I mean, the only reason I'm sharing these pictures is because I believe that people need to see what is all around them really all the time, and you know, maybe other people will start getting pictures at night. I'm using a 16.2 megapixel camera, Samsung WB100. Picked it up for $150. It's a very good investment. And this orb right here I find interesting because it's actually moving. It has a tail right here. yes, I plan on making more videos in the future of the things I'm finding. Um, if you like the videos, awesome. If you don't, that's awesome too. I'm not making these videos to please anyone, just making them to show people what is out there. I mean, this is just, it's funny to me, but, I mean, you can zoom in on the bright ones, and you can tell they're all at different depths within the picture. I mean, I'm not gonna make something and fake it. That would be too much energy on my part to try to make something up. I'm not in finding truth to put out lies. And I'll be the first to say I'm not exactly sure what these are, but I'm pretty sure of what they are, which are orbs or spirits or just whatever you want to call them. But they are conscious. They move around. They know what they're doing. So, oh, there's the candlestick one. Finally got to it. Or paintbrush or whatever you want to call it. Um, but thank you for watching this video and have a wonderful evening.